Pdub cooking. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kierra Chanel, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on the beat, Keeks with the cheeks, Kiwi, whichever one is following me. Y'all, the curlies for the girlies. I don't even think I have to say anything. I do got something to say, actually. I like this hair is from Wiggins hair. This is their 30-inch loose deep wave. It was a fairly quick install. My focus today was mainly like the little fluffy dramatic baby hairs, which I seem to like. So we're gonna be getting into the install, and then make sure you guys stay tuned for the end where I have my little confessional and I tell you everything I like and don't like about this unit. So let's get into it. Pdub cooking.
Pdub cooking.
We reached the end of the video. This is my confessionals where I keep it 100% honest with you guys, tell you guys my opinion about the hair. This hair is pretty as fuck. It's very cute. It's super, 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 super cute. The density is nice on it, but y'all already know this fucking hair stank. Like, out of all the wigs I ever received, this was probably the most stank hair, and I really don't like that because that should be giving me a headache, bro. I don't be saying it just to be saying it, and I'm tired of saying it. I know y'all tired of hearing it. If you watch my videos on a regular basis, then you know I say this shit all the time, but I don't know what it is. They gotta fix that shit, but I can't continue to keep on reviewing stanky ass hair. But luckily the smell, I was able to get rid of the smell with one wash. It's just, I just rather not deal with that. This is 30 inches, and I'm a shorty. I'm 5'4", so 30 inches on me goes past my butt cheek, like right past my butt cheek. It sits underneath my butt. Let me see if I can back up some more. yeah, I'm a little small. So another thing, the frontal piece is definitely shorter, and you can definitely see. I thought once I like wet it and stuff, it would blend more with the rest of the hair, but it's definitely noticeable. So that's just something to keep in mind. I think the front one was like 20 inches, 22 inches, one of those. But other than that, this hair is beautiful, y'all. I hope it holds up because I plan on keeping this unit for a very long time. I worked with Wiggins before and I never had a problem with their other unit. I also had 30 inches with that, and that one is still holding up, so hopefully this one holds up, being that it is a tighter texture. I really admire these curls. Like, this might be my go-to texture from now on. I thought it was a water wave, but now it's loose deep wave. Y'all, I kind of like the fluffy baby hairs, like the messy baby hairs. They look really good on curly units, so I wasn't too precise when it came to the baby hairs for this particular unit. I want to see how messy it could get and how good it could look, and it looks pretty good, and it fits my head shape too. So yeah, I kind of like them. If y'all like the baby hairs, leave me a heart below. Again, this is Wiggins loose deep wave 13 by 6. I want to say 13 by 6, 13 by 4. I'll leave the specs in the description box, but if you guys like this hair, make sure you guys check it out. I will leave all of their links in the description box below. If you guys enjoyed this video and the install, then hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, turn on your post notifications so you're aware when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.